To take photos by using your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to simply open all apps screen and you have to search for Camera Remote application. If you don't have this app as default, then you will have to go to the App Store and simply download this application. Now, you will have to simply open it. Now it will also connect into your iPhone. And right now we can point your phone and you can take the photos straight from your Apple Watch. I mean, by controlling your Apple Watch. And by clicking here on the three dots, you are able to turn off camera timer. So you will just simply take photos without that 3 seconds delay. And below you can also switch into the front camera, into the rear camera. You can additionally turn on and off the flashlight. You can also turn on and off the live photos, HDR, and what is also really useful, you can switch into the video mode, but to do that you will have to simply make a change on your iPhone, and you can even start recording videos. And now you can also find that gallery over here. Okay, for some reason it's just grayed out, so I will try to take a photo. And now let's see if we can actually get a preview. Yeah, as you can see, we can actually store the photos on the Apple Watch. And that's basically everything. So this is the quick information for you, how you can use the camera application on your Apple Watch and take photos.